man. I respect you all, guys. You know, look, I bought this shit. I bought this shit for 50 euros from a DXRACER. This plastic fucking shit. Look at this shit. Look at shit. It's fucking, you see, cracked on this side and on this side, man. Whenever I put a fucking hand, look. You see? When I got this shit, I was like, what the hell is this? Plastic fantastic, man. Fucking China fucking cheap shit. You know, they make a fucking chair really, really like hard, but fucking this shit. No! I didn't want to do that! No! No! Oh my god, there goes my hand rest! I mean leg rest. No! I didn't want to do that! Look at this shit! Oh my god, look at this shit! Oh my god! No! Oh my, I'm gonna have to fucking find a new plate. God damn it, look at this shit. I didn't want to do this, man. Look. Oh, sorry guys. Fucking chicken. Matter fucking cheap plastic shit. God damn. I feel so fucking angry, man. I'm gonna fucking destroy this shit. Hadouken! Goddamn fucking plastic shit, look at this shit. Goddamn cheap. Hadouken! Mamu ti jebem pičko. Fucking plastic shine. Look at this shit. What can I do with this shit? Jebem ti mater. DXRACER, maybe better fucking Footrest. I'm fucking using that for how much? Half a year. God damn it, man. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So now I'm without footrest. Fuck me, man. Fuck. Shit. YouTube highlight. You're crazy, guys. Fucking, I'm gonna have to make myself a own head fucking leg rest. God damn it. You know? God damn it, man. I put the fucking leg and everything just... and I fucking cut myself. Okay, guys. Yeah, fucking cheap Chinese shit. And they're like, DXRACER, this is the best. This is not DXRACER. They just bought that shit from somewhere and they're selling so fucking expensive, man. You know? You know? Yeah, okay, guys. Stop. No, I don't have a fucking footrest. I don't have a footrest now. Look at this shit. I know what I'm gonna do. Wait a second. This is what they should fucking sell. This is a goddamn Bosnian SKEMLIJA, guys. This is a fucking shit. You know? SKEMLIJA, guys. Here you go. SKEMLIJA, the Bosnian thing. This is gonna be here forever. God damn it. It's 20 years old and still here, guys. This is it. Salami Ranger, this is it. Check out this. Fucking SKEMLIJA from goddamn 30 years ago. Here you go. We got the goddamn footrest original one, guys. You have empty cheap fucking plastic shit.